Okay, awesome. So we just got done with our barbell bench press. Up next, I'm going to show you the setup for the barbell deadlift from the floor. Cool part about this, you won't need a rack. You'll just need some open floor space, a barbell, and a set of bumper plates. Now the reason for the bumper plates is it gives us a raised barbell height so that we can get in proper setup form for the barbell deadlift. A bumper plate is just all the same diameter plate around and just different weights for each one. So even though this is the same size as a standard 45-pound plate, it's only 25 pounds for this particular plate. And they'll make it in all sorts of sizes, 10 pounds, 35 pounds, 45 pounds. So you pick out a weight that's appropriate for you, and we'll get the barbell deadlift set up. So I've already got the barbell down on the ground after the bench press, so we've got it down here, ready to go. And as you can see, it's really low to the ground. It would be quite difficult to get into good deadlift form if the bar were like this. So I've got my 25-pound plate set up to the side. I'm going to raise up one end of the barbell. I'll slide that plate all the way on, again making sure it's flush with the barbell collar. I'll come over to the other side, and I'll do the exact same thing, picking up one side, sliding on the plate. Now that plate's in place. If I want to be extra safe, I can take collars, that way the weights aren't jumping around when the bar hits the floor. And there we go. So now this is, again, the easiest way to set up for the barbell deadlift. From this position now, that bar is at a good height, so I can properly pull from the floor and we're ready to go. Now whenever we're done, we take down the barbell deadlift. There are some cool tricks that you can use to get the weights off easier, because it is quite hard from the floor as you get stronger and stronger. So we'll take our clips off. The first trick is that if you're taking plates off of one side, standing on the inside of the bar can be the easiest way to load and unload those plates. So from here, just pulling that plate off, and there we go. That's not too difficult with a single plate. But as you get stronger and you'll have more of those large diameter plates, they can be a hassle to get on and off. Now, another trick is if you unload one side completely, you can just stand this side up and dump the rest of the weights. So I'll get that weight clear, pick the barbell straight up, make sure my clearance is good before I pull the weight out. Barbell comes out, and now the weight's all unloaded. I can put my barbell back up on the rack, which you should always do. Always put up your equipment. And then I can re-rack my weights. And we're good to go. And so that's the setup for the barbell deadlift.